Now it's time to group the frame first. How is it inserted? It is this corner code inserted into this hole. You must hold this with your hands. All into the slot, then plug in. Put a screw here. It comes together. Just put a screw on it, and that's it. The screws are all ready. Okay, it will adjust the outer frame. Just form the group. After grouping, this plate, this line, untie it. Don't untie it at first. Assemble the frame and then untie it. What is the purpose of unraveling? This line is used to drive the piano net. After it is to be opened. You see, after opening, this line is inside this. It moves. It's pulled back and forth. That's it. When it gets here, there is a square mouth here. It needs to be inserted through this square opening. Yes, after inserting, it keeps going in the opposite direction. Walk over. Put a screw on it here. Tighten, that is to say, when fanning this halfway. Then straighten the line. Follow along, then use this screw. There's a top wire here. This spacer has a jack screw to hold it in place. Push it tight. It's ready. Good. It's installed here. Then just go in the opposite direction. Opposite direction. That is, the second one is the opposite. This side is installed. Then start to install it on this side. Comes in the same way. But it has one more step. I also use this iron block. Insert this iron piece on the wire. When inserting, also insert it here. But here, the device here has a wire. See it? This line needs to be picked out. On the upper part of this pad. Also above. It cannot be pressed down. If it's pressed down, it won't be able to be pulled. Must be on top of it. Okay, then straighten it. Then put that top magnet on top. This is right. This is installed. Then how it is. Look at it, it's just right when it's closed. Push. Open. It opens. This is installed. Then the next video. How to fix it on the window. Window installation now. Okay. Then how to hang the gauze fan? Just use this glue. Double-sided tape. Glue it on. Sideways. Sideways. Upright. Will stick. Glue again. Then put it in the middle. Middle. Good. Lower down. Lower down. The bottom is the same. Glue the long part. Glue on top. After gluing, it puts the glue on the opposite side together again. Lean up. It's stuck. This one is all over. After pressing OK. That's it. That's it. That's it.